Let's talk about the ransomware threat and how to best mitigate it by using Cohesity to back up your hybrid cloud environment. In the world of malware, there are many different attack surfaces that the malicious actors can exploit to interrupt the business operations and cause problems for the targeted companies and their data center infrastructures, from servers running the applications, storage carrying live application data, and even backups that should protect against data loss. In recent years, the most prominent attacks were executed using ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that can infect entire networks and work silently in the background without notice, invisibly encrypting application data until applications are not usable anymore and the data is no longer available to the owner. The malware then posts a message to the data owner that they need to pay the attacker to get the data back. Cryptoviruses can have an absolutely catastrophic effect on the company operations and can take down major global companies for days or weeks before the data is restored. During that time, the encrypted data is inaccessible and unretrievable, disabling the application workload. Only the attacker has the key with which it's possible to decode the data and restore operations. A ransomware attack can not only cause millions of dollars in damage because the company's services are unavailable, but also causes the customers to lose their trust in the company, straining the brand name. Due to large fallout, the ransomware issues often get into the media, further increasing the business damage. To mitigate traditional ransomware attacks, a standard backup solution is sufficient to restore the data from before it was encrypted. But with modern attacks, regular backup solutions will not work. Modern cryptoviruses have been designed to circumvent regular backup solutions by specifically searching and encrypting the backups themselves. By encrypting the backup data itself, modern cryptoviruses completely nullify the protection typical backup solutions offer. To address the ransomware problem and make backups reliable and secure again, Cisco offers the best multi-layered approach to data protection with Cohesity on Cisco UCS. Cisco HyperFlex merges the servers and storage into one powerful Cisco HyperFlex infrastructure. Cohesity protects against ransomware attacks by reducing attack surface and by providing one unified solution that's easier to protect than many small localized backup solutions, each with their own vulnerabilities. Cohesity backups use a write-once-read-many approach to making backups. The Cohesity backup file system called SpanFS only allows data to be written once, after which it is immutable and cannot be changed by the ransomware. Data optimization for subsequent backup snapshots is still preserved by referencing the information through zero-cost clones. Cohesity integrates into storage systems, such as Cisco HyperFlex, to create optimized backups. This effectively means that all optimization benefits are preserved, but the snapshot information cannot be changed or manipulated. It can, of course, still be read normally when there is a need to retrieve information from the backup or perform disaster recovery. Backups can only be deleted after the data lock backup retention policy expires. Since the system does not allow changes by anyone, even administrators, it prevents the ransomware from encrypting the data on the device, providing an effective answer to the way ransomware operates. To further provide assurance that the backed up data has not been tampered with, Cohesity uses a sophisticated machine learning system that verifies the backup integrity at all times. To even further reduce the attack surface of backups, Cohesity also provides a policy-based air-gap capability, where the backup and replication pathway to the backups is only enabled when it is needed, allowing customers to always have another immutable backup ready on another site or in the public cloud. By layering all the methods together, the backup data stays protected at all times, and its integrity assured at any given moment while remaining globally searchable and globally accessible when it's needed. Cohesity with Cisco UCS provides the customers with the answer to ransomware attacks, protecting the brand renown while at the same time lowering the IT overhead by providing the intuitive set of tools to effectively create, maintain, and manage the infrastructure and backups anytime, anywhere.